Doing, Gordita. Doing. You sleep, Gordita. You sleep so you'll rest. Come on, sit down. You want to eat? Ngam, 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 ngam. Oh. Wala, mama. Huh? Okay, you want to eat? Eat? Okay, I'll give you food, okay? I'll give you food. Daddy feed you already. Gorda, speak. Speak, Gordita. You want to eat right here, Gorda, so your kiddos don't bother you? Want this one? Right here, right here. Dali, dali. Come here, come here. Oh, my God, don't scratch me. Oh, come here, Gorda, come here. Just stand up because your anak is disturbing you. Here, here, here. Okay, that's it. Okay, you eat right here. Right here. You eat. Over here, Gorda, over here. You eat. Look at. Kana, you eat more. You eat more. Don't worry about your children because they ate already. Okay. Don't disturb your mom. Mama eating. Here, Gordita. Don't worry, don't pay attention with your kiddos because they ate already. Gorda. Oh, you know what, Gorda? You should ask your boyfriend to give you food, ha? Nimal siya, ha? Very responsible your boyfriend, ha? What? Kawan, ow. Oh, see? Look, he's calling you. He's calling you, Gordita. Okay, eat more. Hoy, where you going? Okay, more. Don't disturb your mama. Lagan po, chika. Gorda. Oh, you scratch me. Okay, Gorda. You eat, Gordita. Eat. Oh, ouch! Hey, stop that. Oh, here. Oh, my God, you scratched me. Wow. Your boyfriend is just wow. Okay, Gordita. Sorry I didn't put it in your plate. Because your kiddos will disturb you, okay? Just right here. Yeah, more, Gorda, more. Finish it. I'll give you milk later, huh? When Mama get in, huh? Okay. You eat more. Eat. Para tambok ka. Wawa, Gorda. Wawa. Okay, that's it. You guys sleep now. Okay, Gorda, say thank you, Mama. Okay, give me 5. Say, the other one, give me 5. Oh my God, kanusamang ka na mo madispatso. Okay, you scratch, Mama. Oh. Ouch. Oh, where is my slipper? Here. Okay, Gorda. You guys sleep now. Sleep. Okay, give me 5, Gordita. Give me 5. Gorda, give me 5. That's it. Thank you for watching. Peace out.